हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम और वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग ग्रेट। आज का टॉपिक बहुत ही डिफरेंट होने वाला है क्योंकि आज मैं शूट कर रही हूँ क्लीनिंग और ऑर्गेनाइजिंग माय वैनिटी। और मेरी वैनिटी बहुत ही मैसी हो चुकी है, सो आज हम उसे क्लीन और ऑर्गेनाइज करने वाले हैं। सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर डिले, लेट्स जंप ऑन द वीडियो। So first of all, I need to tie up my hair. Look at this scrunchie is made by me. हम बहुत ही डिफरेंट टॉपिक पर चले गए हैं, so focus. I'm telling you one thing that it is a little bit easy for me to organizing my vanity because I have no too much stuff. I have a limited stuff. That's the reason why I am not tied up with cleaning, organizing my vanity. First of all, I need to show you guys my messy vanity. So let's jump on the video. Here is my wardrobe. I am shooting and you can see there two drawers. In two drawers my makeup stuff and ये देखो यहाँ पर मेरे हेयर मशीन्स बाहर पड़े हैं। दे कॉल मी दैट रिया प्लीज़ पुट हमें अंदर ड्रॉर में, बट माई ब्रेन सेज नो एंड दे लाइक just a joke. And here are some products that I use in a daily basis, and here also my some stuff. I don't know what is this here, and look at this, my messy vanity. I am just embarrassed. And also looking these, oh my god, what is these? I don't know what is this. Here and now I need to put all the things bahar. So just look at this stuff. Oh, I think it is so much. I am also tired when I am organize them. I think let's see what is my halat doing this. And now मेरे ड्रॉवर अंदर की हालत बहुत ही गंदी हो चुकी है. So first I need to clean up them. Just look at these. मैंने पेपर बिछाए हैं. ओ, यहाँ पर अभी भी थोड़ा नेल प्रिंट एंड ऑल रह चुका है अभी. Just look at this. Oh my god. Just look at this stuff. Oh my god.
Years later.
So finally I am organized everything and it's a time to show the final look. So let's see the video. First is this drawer and I put all the eyeshadow in this box. All the eyeshadow, this is my favorite eyeshadow nowadays. some separate eyeshadows and like these two sets of eyeshadows. All I put is in here, this box. I put all the lipsticks is here. My these chapsticks, Nivea, this chapstick, this lip moisturizer, everything I related to lips I put in here, this box. And in here, this is my favorite perfume, that's why I put in here. And this is also my favorite perfume. I like the perfumes that have a no strong fragrance. So here I am putting all the foundations, primer and eyeliner and kajal, everything I am putting here. And then this is my favorite chewing gum. This is all my makeup brushes I am putting here. And now this is looks like this. And here is all the safety pin and all this stuff. Here is a box of nail polish, and here is the box of, this is the my I some random items, I don't know what is this. Here is bindis, all the bindis. Here is black pins. Here is colorful hair pins, and here is my bracelet and necklace for wearing on a western wear. And here is all my eyelashes. Here is all my silver earrings here and necklace, and here is all the golden earrings. Here is a colorful earrings. Here to my butterfly, like hair accessories. And now this part, here is my face mask. This is a gulab jal, all the perfumes. I think I need to make a separate video on my perfume collection. And this is a thread. This is my skincare cream. This is the powders. This is the bleach, hair oil, empty spray bottle. This is my toner I use in a daily routine. This is the Nivea soft cream moisturizer, and this is my brother's product and catchy scissor. And this is all the perfumes. I think I have much more perfumes. This is the sunscreen, and this is the body lotion. This is the also body lotion. This is petroleum jelly Vaseline. I don't know what is this. And in this box, watches. This is the soap for the acne, and this is the wax and some random stuff. Okay, this is the one box. In these my hair accessories, and here some also one box. Also one box. In these all the nail prints mine. Here is all the कचराज जो किसी काम का नहीं है. it is the today's video. I hope you all are like this video, and like, share and subscribe to my channel before leaving the video, because I want 1k subscribers on the date of my birthday. And so jaldi se go fast and subscribe to my channel. After the 10k I am announcing a big giveaway, so don't miss that. It is the win-win situation for the both me and you. Bye bye.